In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Microsoft Bookings, personal and shared calendars. We'll start by opening Microsoft Bookings. You can get to it from Outlook on the web or by selecting Bookings from the app launcher in office.com. Once you're in, you'll land on the homepage where you can create your first booking experience. Begin by creating your booking page. Enter a clear name for your business, team, or function so visitors instantly know they're in the right place. Add a short description that sets expectations. Then upload your logo and choose brand colors to keep things on brand. Set your business hours and double check the time zone. This becomes the default for your services and staff. Don't worry, you can fine tune individual availability later if needed. Next, set up your services. Think of services as appointment types, consultations, onboarding calls, or anything you schedule repeatedly. Give each service a descriptive name, choose a duration, and set a price if that's relevant. Add buffer time before and after to allow for preparation, travel, or notes, which helps prevent back-to-back overload. Specify the meeting location, such as an online meeting or in person. If you need information from customers ahead of time, add custom fields so they can provide details during booking. Now manage staff and availability. Add yourself and any colleagues who will take appointments. Assign roles and make sure each person's working hours reflect reality, including breaks. Connect staff calendars so bookings respects existing meetings and avoids double booking. Decide which services each person offers and whether customers can choose a specific staff member or get automatically assigned. For a personal calendar experience, keep yourself as the only staff for those services. For a shared calendar, include multiple staff and enable pooling so the system offers times based on combined availability. Configure your booking page to control the customer experience. Adjust appearance, write a friendly introduction, and set scheduling policies like minimum lead time, cancellation windows, and how far in advance people can book. Choose whether customers see times in their own time zone or yours. Decide who can access the page, anyone with the link or only people in your organization. Review confirmation and reminder settings to cut down on no-shows and keep everyone informed. When everything looks good, click Save and then Publish. Copy the public URL and share it in email, add it to your signature, or place it on your website. Keep services, hours, and staff availability up to date, and you'll have a reliable professional booking system for both personal and shared calendars.